Hey guys, welcome to another video on how this whole real estate game works. So we're going to reveal to you today exactly what not to say to a lender. Maybe you're in contract, maybe you're thinking about buying a house and starting to research lenders and stuff like that. Here's what you don't say coming up right next. Coming up right now. All right, so welcome back. Now we're going to go ahead and make a couple of assumptions right off the bat. One, you're already using a really awesome agent. If not, give us a call. If you're using somebody else, that's cool too. Number two, that agent has referred you to a fantastic lender. These two things are pretty important because not every agent, not every lender are created equal. Oh, and then finally, go ahead and smash that like button and, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, even maybe make a comment. We'll ask for your subscription here as well, but we'll do that at the end. Next, understand that the lending game has changed. It's changed since the last recession around 2008. Before, you could walk into a lender and basically they would qualify you on your stated income. Stated like, I'm stating that I make money. Like I state that I make, $1 million a year. And is that $1 million house available? I want to buy that one. And they say, how much do you make? You say, yeah, I make $1 million a year. And you can afford it, no problem. Nowadays, lenders, you have to prove it. You have to prove exactly how much money you make, where it comes from, stuff like that, so that they can do the mathematics and figure out if you can afford the house or not. Talk about an invasion of privacy. So now, basically lenders have to know everything about your life. They have to be able to put all the puzzle pieces of your life and all your expenses and all your incomes together to make sure that you can actually afford this house or afford your Hello Kitty credit card. So what do you tell your lender and what do you keep to yourself? If you're buying your house as a primary, but really it's going to be your secondary, you probably shouldn't tell your lender. If you're buying a house and your intention is to get fired from your job that provides the income and go and rush off and be a romantic YouTube video content creator, you probably shouldn't tell your lender. If you're buying a house for your mistress on the side, you probably shouldn't tell that to your lender. If you're buying a house today, but you're going to jail for 100 years tomorrow, you probably shouldn't tell that to your lender either. Or if you're buying a house based on your spouse's income and your intention is to get divorced as soon as the house closes, you probably shouldn't tell that to your lender either. If you're buying a house to be an illegal drug manufacturing warehouse, you probably shouldn't tell the lender. The real answer for how much you should reveal to your lender lies in how your lender gets paid. Now, most lenders, especially all of the local ones, get paid, mostly on commission, meaning they don't get paid unless they close a loan or they provide you with a loan. So really, when you think about it, they're actually your best advocate for getting you the loan. So it's in your best interest to tell the lender everything. I understand sometimes you want to maybe keep certain things from them because you don't want them to have too much information about you. If you're worried about if your lender's your best friend and you want them to know how much you spend on your new truck, then don't use that lender. Or have a little humility and understand that all lenders, they have to know and they're going to know all of your business. It's in their best interest to know your details, and it's in your best interest to reveal those details to them so they can help you get the loan. Because they have to take all these puzzle pieces together, fit them together, and make sure, yes, this all works. Remember, if they don't close the loan, they don't get a paycheck either, and you don't get a house. So it's in your best interest to work together. Now, if you think if you can hide stuff from the lender and not tell them about it, well, you're probably right. However, you're not going to hide things from the underwriter. The underwriter isn't the bad guy, but they're like the double proofer checker. Like they check things. They go in extra deep. If anything doesn't even add up or make sense to them when they're reviewing the rest of the documents, they're going to call it out and they're going to ask for more evidence and more proof. The underwriters are the people who are actually going to catch you if you happen to keep any information away from the lender in the initial front end. Because the lenders aren't the bad guys. In fact, they're on your side. The more you can tell them, the more you can be upfront with them, the more they can actually help you. For instance, let's say that you're looking to get a home loan, but right now you don't qualify because maybe your credit isn't quite as good as it needs to be. Lenders, if you talk to them and you're open and you're honest with them up front, good lenders can even help you, guide you through how to repair your credit. How to do certain things to get your credit up, how to consolidate some of your debts, how to take a huge wad of cash that you have stuffed under your mattress and get it actually in the bank so that it can qualify for a down payment. There's a lot of details that go on the lending side. I'm not a lender, but I know that good lenders can help you achieve your goals of home ownership. Ultimately, if you do keep things from your lender, it's likely to catch up to you and bite you in the rear end. So again, it's really important to be open and honest with your lender. Think of them as your friend. When you achieve success in getting the house, they achieve success in getting the paycheck. And really, there's so many guidelines now that go into the lending process. They have to follow these guidelines in order to get you the loan. So as long as you legitimately qualify and as long as they can help you legitimately qualify, you guys are both going to be, better off with each other versus keeping things from each other. Okay. Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button there, I think. And for more information on our next video or to check out some of our other videos, you can go ahead and click the next one that's going to appear right up here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.